Welcome to Redis Explained. In this video, we'll explore Redis, an in-memory data store that's essential for distributed caching. We'll understand its architecture, how it works, and why it's so important in building scalable distributed systems. Whether you're building web applications, handling real-time data, or optimizing performance, Redis is a tool you need to know. Redis stands for Remote Dictionary Server. It's an open-source, in-memory data structure store. Think of it as a super-fast database that lives in your server's memory instead of on a disk. Redis provides sub-millisecond latency, meaning responses happen in less than 1/1000th of a second. It delivers high throughput, handling thousands of operations per second. And importantly, Redis offers persistent storage options, so you don't lose your data if the server restarts. Redis has a simple but powerful architecture built on three main layers. First, the in-memory store. All data is stored in RAM for ultra-fast access. Second, a single-threaded event loop. Despite being single-threaded, Redis uses non-blocking input-output to handle thousands of concurrent connections efficiently. Third, data structures. Redis doesn't just store simple strings. It supports hashes for objects, lists for ordered collections, sets for unique values, sorted sets for ranked data, and streams for event logs. Redis supports 6 core data structures. Strings are the simplest, used for text, numbers, and binary data. Hashes store objects with multiple fields, perfect for user profiles. Lists maintain ordered collections, great for queues and timelines. Sets store unique values and are efficient for membership checking. Sorted sets add scores to elements, enabling ranking and leaderboards. Streams work like append-only logs, ideal for event sourcing and real-time data pipelines. Each structure is optimized for specific use cases. Here's how caching works with Redis. When a request comes in, you first check Redis. If the data exists, you get it immediately in less than a millisecond. This is a cache hit. If the data isn't there, you fetch it from your database and store it in Redis for future requests. This is a cache miss. Now, any subsequent requests for that data will hit Redis instead of the database. This pattern dramatically reduces database load and improves application performance. Redis offers 2 persistence mechanisms. RDB, or Redis Database, creates point-in-time snapshots of your entire dataset. It uses a compact binary format, loads quickly when the server restarts, but offers lower durability guarantees since snapshots happen periodically. AOF, append-only file, logs every command executed. This provides higher durability because every change is recorded, but files are larger and loading takes longer. You can use either, both, or neither depending on your durability requirements. For distributed systems, Redis provides 2 scaling strategies. Master replica replication uses one master node handling all writes and multiple replica nodes handling reads. This setup gives you high availability, read scaling, data redundancy, and automatic failover if the master fails. Redis cluster distributes data across multiple nodes with automatic sharding. Data is partitioned based on keys, enabling horizontal scaling. Cluster provides partition tolerance and automatic failover as well. Choose replication for simpler setups and cluster for large-scale distributed systems. Redis excels in distributed systems with multiple use cases. Use it as a session store to share user sessions across multiple servers. Real-time analytics lets you track metrics and counters instantly. Rate limiting controls how many requests a user can make in a time window. Message queues enable asynchronous job processing across services. Publish-subscribe messaging allows real-time event broadcasting to multiple subscribers. Distributed locks coordinate access to shared resources across multiple processes. These patterns are fundamental to building modern distributed applications. Redis performance is exceptional. Latency is less than 1 millisecond for typical operations. A single Redis instance can handle over 100,000 operations per second. Memory usage is highly optimized through efficient data structure implementations. When you compare Redis to traditional databases, the difference is striking. A Redis cache hit takes about 0.5 milliseconds. A database query typically takes 100 to 500 milliseconds. This means Redis delivers 100 to 1,000 times faster performance. This dramatic speedup is why Redis is critical for high-performance systems. Following best practices ensures Redis works well in production. For key design, use namespaced keys like user:1: profile to organize your data logically. Always set time-to-live values on keys to prevent stale data from accumulating. Configure appropriate eviction policies so Redis knows what to remove when memory is full. Use connection pooling to reuse connections and reduce overhead. For reliability, enable persistence with RDB or AOF to protect your data. Deploy replicas for failover and backup. These practices help you build robust, production-ready systems with Redis.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.